Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Yesterday I was learning a Generative AI Explorer. This is the course that Google recently launched, and I had a chance to learn from these Google courses. I was learning the Gemini 1.5 Pro model and Vertex AI. So I thought to make a video that you guys can also see how the Gemini 1.5 Pro models in Vertex AI is working. Here is the lab for getting started with Gemini 1.4 or 1.5 model in Vertex AI. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the steps and I'll show you the code as well that how it was working. Let's get started with it. So you have to go to the Google Cloud and you have to sign in with your particular account and you must be having some sort of credits, credits you must be having to getting started with this particular course. So let's get started. You have signed in with your account, XYZ account, then you can just easily started working with Gemini 1.5 Pro model in Vertex AI. So here's the lab. You have created an account. You have credits for that. So then you have to just start lab. I have completed this particular lab task. So once I have completed this particular lab task, so I cannot start it again. So yeah, I'm just going to show you this particular video so that you guys can be in touch with the technologies that were coming and what gonna become. So yeah, here is the Gemini Pro. I'm not going to start lab because once I start lab, then it's gonna be start from the starting, and because I have started it before, so I'm not going to start it later. So you have to start with this. Once you are new to this lab, so you just click on Start Lab. Here is the complete guide to start with the lab. So yeah, Gemini 0.5. So here is a simple overview. You guys can have see that it is a new language model and it is created by the Gemini family. This model, what this model does, actually, it breaks through the long context of the window, and it can, generate the tokens of 1 million that can help seamlessly analyze large amount of information. So yeah, Gemini 1.5 Pro is a new language of Gemini family, and it analyzes a large amount of information in long context of understanding. So yeah, it's amazing. So yeah, it can process text, images, as you guys know that ChatGPT, Claude, and other LLM models also analyzing these sort of agents. Like agents was created to analyze text, images, audio, video, and code all together for different set. But what it is doing, it is analyzing the 1 million tokens and analyzing the large amount of information. That's the unique thing of this Gemini Pro. So in this particular model, Google has step-by-step guidance uh, to work with this particular technology actually. So the prerequisites are you must be having basic Python programming, just basic of Python programming and general API concept. Then you have knowledge to have API concept, and then we will be running this particular Python code in Jupyter notebooks. So yeah, let's move toward the next. Okay, you will analyze in this particular lab. You will analyze audio. Um, then the Jupyter notebook where you will use the code of this for this particular lab. So you will analyze audio, and you will see that if you want to give the MP4 file to this particular Gemini Pro, then it will analyze and you will get a text, a long text. Understand a video, you can give it to the long video to this particular model, so it can analyze and give you the response according to the video. You can make the video summary and XYZ things, you can easily get that. You can extract information from the PDF documents and process images. So there is a code in Jupyter Notebook, so you can easily check out that I'll show you the code, then you can easily guys check out that. So yeah, what you have to do before move to the next, you have to click on start, but start lab, then it will start. After that, these hands-on labs, you do activity using real cloud environment. Because we'll use Jupyter Notebook. There you will see that how it is working actually, how Google Cloud, how these lab is actually working, and how Gemini 1.5 Pro is working. So yeah, to complete these unit tests, this is particular thing it is recommended. So it is also saying that use incognito private browser, so you can use over here. You can either use a student account and your personal account. It depends you. So yeah, if you already have your own personal Google account or do not use it, yeah, okay, that's good. How to start the lab? You have to just click on the start lab button, and if you need to pay, you will show a pop-up over here. Then you can select your payment methods if it is opening the pop-up. So yeah, then on the left side you will see the lab details. I'm not going to start the lab because I have done already. So I'm just giving the detail, then you can easily check out that. Then you have what you have to do. You have easily you have your account. Then go to your account. Let me just check. Yeah, I think here. Just wait for a while by request. I think there will be an having issue because I haven't started start lab. That's why you have to just open Google Cloud Console button. So yeah, after that, temporary credential you must need to use for that. And once the Google Cloud Console will be open, and you can right click and you can use open it to incognito window as well. So the Chrome browser is recommended by the Google Lab. So yeah, you have to create an account. You have to give your username and password XYZ these things. Then you have to click on next button. Then yeah, that's it. After that, after signing up, then you can see this particular page to your Google Cloud icon. Here, it is not opening because I haven't started the lab. That is why. You will see this particular lab. After that, you have to open your notebook in Vertex CI. You have to move to the this particular icon. Click Vertex CI and Workbench. So you have to do this particular thing. Then you have to go to the Workbench instant name and click the Open Jupyter Lab. Once you click on the Open Jupyter Lab, then you will see this window. Okay. In this particular window, here is a step-by-step guide that how to install uh, Python SDK and install runtime and all the import libraries for this particular Gemini Pro and text analyzation, video and image analyzation in Jupyter Notebook. After that, setup notebook, select kernel dialog. Uh, Once you open this particular thing here, uh, some sort of kernel over here you can use according to your need, but the Google suggested to use Python 3 kernel, so you can select it. Okay, it is error because I haven't started the lab. Once you start the lab, you can easily see all the things properly. Then, according to your need, you can import your libraries, project ID, and region. You get once you click on Start Lab. Google provides you that project ID and region. Google provides you that, then you can easily enter that, and uh, things gonna boom. Yeah, after that, you can check the process, and then you can experiment with audio understanding. Then you can experiment with video understanding, video with audio understanding. Then you can experiment with PDF document analysis. Then you can understand with experiment with AI modalities, images, videos, audio, and text at once. You can all like multi-model, you can say. So once you done this particular thing, then yeah, that's it. This is how the Gemini Pro model will be working with a notebook, and you can use another uh, uh, book. You can according to your easiness that you like to use. Different educators we have for generative AI. so you guys can use accordingly. You can use your VS Code as well. So let's come to here that how it is working. Just wait for a while. Yes. So you have to install this particular Python Vertex for the Vertex SDK, and then you have to import this particular Google Lab modules. Once you run this particular button, then it will be running. After that, you have to move toward the next one thing. Yeah, that's it. Then you have to go to the Google Colab and you have to run this particular module as well. After that, yeah, you are using the model ID is Gemini 1.5 Pro, and you are using the models. Yes, you guys have a little basic knowledge of Python, so you guys can easily understand what is being the variable is over here. Then we have using the Gemini model. So Gemini model we are using and we have given to this particular variable name, and then we are using generative model ID. That's it. You run this particular code, and here is a model example of the system instruction. You can use these particular codes at temperature, like how differently you can uh, provide the response and the candidate count, maximum tokens for the one question. Here we have used the system instruction. You are a helpful language translator. So according to that, it will provide you the response according to that particular answer. Yeah. Here is the Jamie less bezels is the your language translator. Okay. And this is the response, the text. And once you provide the MP4 file over here, just we have provided the MP4 file, so it will automatically convert to this particular file into the summarization part. Here is the summary of that particular audio. You can easily convert your audio to the text file to the summary file by just running this particular prompt. You have just mentioned this. Please provide a summary of the audio that we have provided the top here. We have provided the URL of the MP4. Then we are using the audio file variable name. Then we are using Google APIs.com. Yes, we are using Google APIs because you must be having the knowledge that how the APIs work. What APIs does work is that it takes this particular file and then it is converting to this particular prompt that we have given over here. After that, it is responding like that. So here how you can convert your audio file to the text. Okay, here is the same thing it is doing audio. After that, yes, here the huge response by the Gemini 1.5, the new model, new language. How you can use the video with audio understanding. The simple step, you just give your MP4 and you also give your video file and you mention the video width so that according to that particular video, it will be shown in front of you. After that, please provide the description of the video. Once you give the video, if and then you add the prompt, then the prompt you mention that I want this particular thing from this particular video. So this code will generate the description of this particular video, and you can easily analyze document analysis as well. So you just mentioned you are a very professional document summarization specialist. Summarize the document from the thousand of pages document. It will give you the summary of the document. That's amazing. And also you can work with the PNG files. You can ask that let me know about this particular image, and you can give the long videos as well. It can understand and respond according to your prompt. Yeah, you can work with video, images. You can work with audio as well. Buy together like multi-model. multimodalities. So this is something that Gemini 1.5 Pro has recently launched, and it is amazing. So I hope you guys have um, a basic idea of what Gemini 1.5 Pro model in Vertex AI is doing, and I recently used it, and I had a chance to work with it, and I was amazed, and it was amazing to work with it, and it is amazing model to work. I hope guys you guys have learned a lot from this particular lab. So some of the things are missing just because we didn't start the lab, because I already mentioned that I have done these particular tasks. So yeah, I also got some sort of credit as well to complete this course, to complete this particular lab. Once I start the lab, so everything will be showing, then you can easily follow the things, and you can do all the steps step by step. So many things will be clear more. So yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you so much for listening me for this particular video. Take care.